Some Sports Illustrated staff members received emails with immediate layoff notices, while others were told in further Zoom meetings that they would keep their jobs for at least 90 days. Roughly 100 journalists work for Sports Illustrated. Arena Group's executives told Sports Illustrated staff members they planned on continuing to publish the magazine and website despite having their license to operate the publication revoked. But it was not immediately clear how that would work. It was also unclear whether the magazine's owner, Authentic Brands Group, would strike a new agreement with the Arena Group or find a new company to operate it. NY Times, January 19, 2024. The downfall of traditional media. Journalists who write primary articles that rely on dopamine eruptions will be replaced by AI. Future news will be replaced by SNS like X, and it is likely that only in-depth articles will remain on the exploration base. Individuals who accept the original articles written by AI without filtration will easily fall into Big Brother's incitement when the subjectivity disappears. If it comes to the investment field, it will become drunken short-term trader. Read, underline, and supplement with your thoughts. Whether it's a pen or an Apple Pencil doesn't matter. The key is to input text, digest it critically, and create your own content. In terms of organizing thoughts, video and audio are inferior to text. Consciously allocate time to chew on text, and don't hesitate to invest in this process.